Hi beautiful ones, it's Ethany and it's Friday, which means it's First Impressions Friday on my channel. And today I have a deck from a fellow Canadian. It is the House of Shadows Oracle deck, Oracle cards, Oracle deck, second edition by Monica Bodowski. I hope I have pronounced your name correctly, my dear. And it is super cute. I picked this up, I bought this at Reader's Studio this year, so this was back in April. And it's been lovingly sitting on my my desk of things to unbox, and I wanted to finally get this little gorgeous thing out. Maybe it's because of all the work we've been doing with Lenormand at summer school, Tarot summer school, but I also just really wanted to open it up. So it's 36 Oracle cards. It was created last year. Let's switch over the cameras and go through the House of Shadows, and look how cute that bat is. It's so cute. I'm going to say that's the letter in this deck. So let's see if I'm correct and walk through the deck. Okay, so now we're going to have a look through Monica Bodowski's House of Shadows Oracle deck, second edition. I hope I didn't just butcher your name. So it comes in a little tuck box. The reason why the tuck box looks a little weird is because it's got a little thank you note in here. You have a tarot card, or maybe she's working on a tarot deck. I can't remember. It's been a while since I was at Reader's Studio. My Virgo rising is like coming in. Okay. Guidebook. A whimsically dark Lenormand oracle. Love it. We're going to go through that at the end. This is the back. It's cardboardy cardstock. I feel like that's going to chip. Yeah, it's already coming off on my nails. So it's quite cardboardy. For those of you who had the Llewellyn decks, when they changed their cardstock, it's the same sort of cardboardy cardstock. I feel like these two things are going to be my only slight criticisms of the deck. The cardstock is not, I mean, I don't care, but I know a lot of people do care. And this cardstock doesn't really hold up to a lot of shuffling. And this is like brand new out of the box, and it already looks like quite worn. Again, I don't really care, but I know people do. And the backs, I don't understand this. Like I think it would have looked a lot better without the House of Shadows at the top, with the copyright, and without the Monica Bodowski 2018. I don't like it. It's not my thing. I've said it numerous times before. I don't even like it when US Game Systems does it. So it's not like I'm picking on a indie creator. It's just not my jam. I like a clean back. It's distracting. All right. And it's funny too, because the back, in comparison to the front, looks chaotic. You know, like the Lenormand is a symbolistic deck. It's like, that's what you're looking at. And look how cool that is. And thankfully, we're gonna, you know, when you read the system, you're gonna be focusing on the front, just not keen on the back. Okay, so Rider, but everything else, I saw a lot of the artwork at Reader's Studio, and I love it. Clover. Now, for those of you who don't know about the Lenormand system, you are meant to read the symbols. It's not like the tarot where everything from the color to the foot positioning to everything is looked at. This is a symbol deck, and I love that. It's meant to be simple, clean, quick, to the point divination. This is shit hot. I freaking love it. The ship, I love jellyfish, and I love this so hard. The numbers mean something in the houses, and a lot of Lenormand decks have the playing card associated with it. Some of them even have poetry, but this is very, very lovely line art, black and white. It is a little, what did she say? A whimsically dark. It is very whimsically dark, and I adore it. It's not Tim Burton style, but like those people who like Tim Burton's art style would definitely like this. Is the house. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. A tree. Look at all the things hanging from it. There's a bat, a key, a skull, a clock, a spider. Love it. And the swing. Clouds. Even the clouds in the Lenormand, some of them are meant to be dark and light, and I love that this still has that gradient effect on the clouds, because depending on the cards that are sitting on this side of the clouds and that side of the clouds, it means different things, because proximity is key in the Lenormand. Oh my gosh, this snake is boss. Snake. Coffin. Bouquet. So cool with that hand coming out. Scythe. Brooms. Oh, what is that the whip? That might have, no, I think 16 is the, that has replaced the whip, I believe. It has, yeah, that's the whip card. But brooms, sometimes there is a broom in it instead of a whip. Birds. Child, oh yeah, that's creepy. Love it. Don't think I'd give this to my kid. I think he might freak him out a little bit, but I am loving it. The fox. The chicken. I'm really not a fox. Great interpretation of that energy. Bear. This is so beautiful. I love this. Monica, this is so cool. Star. Stork. Dog. It's just like a little like monster with a dog. A dog. It's a loyal one. A tower. Oh, that's cool. And a little creepy and awesome. I like black and white line work for some reason. Garden. Maybe it's because it's like the potential of whatever colors you want to put in there, but it's also perfect on its own. I never color in my black and white decks. Mountains. But it's all, oh, that's like the cave. I will swallow you whole. Crossroads. Mice. Heart. Ring. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. Book. Bleak House by Charles Dickens. I have not read that book. Letter to Harry Potter under the closet, under the stairs, sorry. Man. Very cool that it's like featureless. An odd woman, and they have masks. It's very cool. I like walking my spider on a leash. Blech. Spiders and I are not friends, but I do like them in this form, like line work. Lily. Sun. Moon. Key. Oh, that's creepy. Creepy but cool. And when I say creepy for this deck, I mean it as a high compliment. Fish. Oh, this anchor is so awesome. I love sea creatures. Anchor, so rad. That's really cool. And cross. So this is a traditional 36 card Lenormand system. Some other decks do have additional cards in there, but this is a traditional system. They are a traditional Lenormand size, which is great for laying out a grand tableau. They shuffle really well. I'm not mad at, I don't get mad at, like, even when I criticize, like, I wouldn't put the backs as copyright. I get why artists do it, because people steal shit all the time, and it's not cool. But it shuffles well. It will just, I know it will chip once I use it, but I really, really, really like it. It's so cool. All right, let's have a look at the guidebook. So it is a little white book. Dedication, the deck is dedicated, and deck and book are dedicated to my wonderful husband, Alan, who generously supported me throughout the project with endless words of love, encouragement, and many cups of fresh coffee. Very important. Arwen! Forward by Arwen. An introduction. Reading with the cards, and then we go right into the meanings. Okay. And then go back right at the back to contact. So Lenormand, once you know the system, it is quite, what am I trying to say? It's quite matter of fact. It's quite, here it is. So that makes total sense in having keywords, because that's a lot of what the system is. If you don't know the system, come and learn it with me. tarotreadersacademy.com. But I will put a link in the description of where you can find Monica's work. Obviously go and support her. Lots of love to the indie creators. And as always, my lovely ones, thank you so very much for watching.